Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all you amazing people out there. Today, I'm gonna share with you 6 actionable tips that will help you reach your full potential and lay a rock solid foundation to attain a ton of wealth and success in months and years to come. Stay tuned, I'll see you on the other side. Alright, before I dive into the 6 tips, I would like to draw to your kind attention that these tips are not a shortcut to wealth and success. The next 4 weeks are going to be hard, challenging, and some of you may want to quit even before you start. However, if you have a desire to succeed and want to remain unstoppable no matter what, continue watching. Tip number 1, start your day early and give your body an intense workout. As basic as it may seem, it is worthy to note that wealth and success is a mind game. If tomorrow morning your mind tricks you into hitting that snooze button and lying in bed for an extra few minutes, know that your mind is not in your control. It is the critical first step to establish and prove yourself every single morning that you are the one who is completely in charge. For those of you who have already mastered this, here's a high five to you and fist pumps. Just keep going. Tip number 2, give your personal brand a boost. Pay close attention to this as this is very important. Are you someone who is riding on the success of others? That is, you are riding on the success of your company, boss, colleagues. If so, know that you are a follower. On the other hand, if you find that others are riding on your success, you are a leader. Therefore, you're going to focus on developing yourself into a leader. For the next 4 weeks, you will be the person who gets jobs done. Period. If it takes for you to be the first one to reach your office or the last one to leave, or help your colleagues accomplish their tasks or work on an area of business and improve, you will work to your full potential and master your craft. People will take notice of you, but you will not stop, you will not slow down. And here is something that will help you achieve this. By focusing on each task, one step at a time, in a block of 10 minutes. Like Will Smith says, you don't start off by saying that you will build the biggest, baddest, greatest wall that has ever been built. You don't start off like that. You start off by saying that I'm going to lay this one brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. There'll be no one brick on the face of this earth that will be laid better than this one brick in the next 10 minutes. You do this every single day and soon you have a wall. By following this approach, you will be surprised to see how your brand value just shoots up. Tip number 3, pay very close attention to your circle of influence. Or in other words, your inner circle. Energy is everything. Be it positive or negative, it is contagious. Be fair to yourself and come to terms with the fact that you have to at some point distance yourself from people and associations that do not empower you to accomplish more. It may seem rude at first. However, in order to grow and be successful beyond your wildest imagination, you need to decide as to who gets to remain in your inner circle. Don't believe a word I say. Here are 2 quotes from 2 extremely successful individuals. Late Steve Jobs, he said, if you want to make everyone happy, don't be a leader. Sell ice creams instead. That way you can keep everyone happy. Here's another one. Hollywood actor Tom Hardy. He said, not everyone gets the same version of me. One person might say, I am an amazing soul. Another one might say, I am a cold-hearted fill in the blank. Believe them both. I don't treat people differently. I treat them accordingly. Tip number 4, get total control on your finances and read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Here's a question for you. How many successful people do you know of who are horrible at finances? Not many. Make a serious commitment to yourself that you will master over your money, know exactly where it is going and get in total control of it. For those of you who are looking to get a start, I will link down in the description a budgeting tool to help you get started. Over the next 4 weeks, your task is to finish reading this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I read this book in the year 2008 and it literally changed my thought process on money and wealth. I'll provide a link to buy this online on Amazon. It is inexpensive to buy, but the knowledge is extremely valuable. For those of you who are still struggling with money, just seek professional help, which by the way is my next topic, how to find and work with a 21st century financial advisor. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be instantly notified the minute we upload that next video. Tip number 5, conquer over your fears. Think about the one thing that terrifies you, that scares the hell out of you. Are you afraid of heights? Are you afraid of snakes, lizards? The thing about success is that the bigger you grow, you will come across circumstances and challenges that will terrify you. It will take you through a breaking point where you're literally staring against a wall. As so you have to break through that wall and emerge on the other side. Over the next 4 weeks, you will take up a challenge to overcome your fear. If you're afraid of heights, you're gonna go bungee jumping. If you're afraid of snakes, you're gonna hold one right in your hand, look right into its eye and say, I am no longer afraid of you. Don't try a stunt and go catch a king cobra. Success is about taking calculated risks and not being stupid or foolish. Time for the final tip. Tip number 6. Mirror wealthy and successful people. Here's how you do it. Identify successful people in your circle, professional circle, among your friends, or a random stranger who just drove by in a shiny Rolls Royce or a Bentley. Walk up to them and ask them the following question with energy and passion. Hello, Mr. Miss. I'm Prashant and I've made it my mission to be wealthy and successful. What would be your top 3 advice for people like me who are looking to grow and be successful? In all probabilities, you may get an answer. And here's what I want you to do with the advice that you get. Make a collage, preferably a bigger one. And what I want you to do is, I want you to take your photo, snap it right in the middle and place it somewhere where you can see it every single day. At the end of each day, you will look into your collage, look into your own eyes and ask yourself this. Do you have what it takes? Are you cut out for this? Instinct, hard work, integrity, focus, leadership, taking risks. Do you play at 100%? If the answer is a resounding yes, I want you to celebrate. And here's what I do to celebrate.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Thanks for watching.